Ay, kagi ah.
And caress your fingers for as long as I could. Will never let go anyway. When you're around, all are brighter and brighter.
Nakakainis.
Color.
Bakit? Nainis ako. hindi siya gano'n.
Dear my sour,
Wow! Naririnig yung tenga ko.
love at first sight.
Love at first sight.
The moment.
Ayoko, no. Yung...
Next. I believe. Oh. May mga stars. Stars? Hindi talaga stars yan. Okay. Next. Share my scarf with you.
Nakakainis.
Share kita.
Hindi.
Build design.
Nakakainis. May dala akong pencil case? Like color pencils.
I sit with the noises.
Wala kang nagkagago. Wala kang gago dyan.
Parang pati yun na sa sarili ko. And if I get asked to bring,
Nakakainis. Pinaka-sincere yan.
kasi mabasahin ko. Ng tahimik. Okay. Pa, diba? Okay na.
Okay na.
Playfulness. Diba? Tatawa na ako. Ito. Lily?
Ano?
Lily? Daisy?
yung kumakanta na. Ano ba, Let It Go ba yun? Let It Go! Basta nag-ano siya ng song.
Sorry po. Water. Melon.
Oh my God, may letter.
Water. Melon.
Okay. Okay lang.
Orange. Grapes. Apple.
Naging teacher ka, tapos ganun yung ano mo.
Ganun. Kada color ng mababago yung tone.
Okay.
Prevents cough and cold. Boost immunity.
Nanggagagay sa DIY
Boost
store.
immune system. Lemon juice. Improves skin. Ano to? Aids in digestion. Mali pa? Heals wounds.
Taoso! Papayok na!
Is the wall too tall?
Oh my God.
Is the dam too high? Ito. I think the clouds are the heart of the sky. The clouds are indications of our emotions and feelings we carry inside. Tama na guys. Please respect. Please respect.
Respect.
Ano ba?